Hey guys, and welcome to another 3-Minute Thursday. Today I'm with my buddy Josh over here from Momentum Productions, and we're going to be checking out light leaks. More specifically, how to create your own custom light leaks that you can use in your projects. And right now I'm going to rummage through all of his things and find some stuff that we can use for light leaks.
That's not going to happen, dude. Your people are sitting there staring. What's up, guys? Josh here from Momentum Productions. I'm taking over my man Kyler's channel, and today we're going to be learning how to make some kick-ass light leaks.
A light leak in the simplest terms is when you have a video and in the corner or over the middle of the video there is light that is bleeding through the image, kind of like a lens flare. Only a light leak is modifiable and you can create custom ones like we're going to show you right now. Did I explain it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So in order to do a light leak, all you need is a camera with a zoom lens on it, and all you have to do is film against a black background. So right here we're using Josh's couch, and I'm putting this on a pillow. As you can see, I'm going to start recording, and I'm currently focused on the pillow. What you want to do is take your camera to infinity or macro so it becomes very, very blurred. And then you also want to decrease your ISO all the way down to the lowest limit, like I would say 200 or 100 if your camera supports it, just so you don't have a lot of grain. And then also make sure your image is dark, because if your image is really light, you don't want that. You want your image to be kind of black. All you need is a piece of glass or Tupperware or something that you can reflect light through. So all you have to do is put this piece of glass in front of your lens. As the glass is in front of the lens, I'm going to take my flashlight on my phone and run it around, and you'll start to see that instantly we're getting some crazy light leaks. So the key to a really good light leak is going very slow and cinematic. So watch right here. I'm going to take the light and slowly move it in, and you can start to see I'm getting some nice little flares. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna slowly bring it away. Because that's the key. Because if you don't do it cinematic, watch what happens. It's like very jittery, and then it just doesn't look as good. And you can also play around with different pieces of glass or different translucent material, and you can also spin it as well to see what that would do to your light leak. Honestly, this is really easy to do. All you have to do is spend some time and play with your camera. So Josh, you're up. You're gonna create 10 light leaks, and we're gonna see what they look like. You can also use your hand, so try putting your hand in front of the lens right now. So if you shine it through your fingers, you should start to get some red hues, like really close to your hand. Yeah. Yeah, so try it right now. Go. Ooh, that was cool. That was sick. What do you think of boys playing with things? You done?
Yeah.
Got it all?
I got one more.
One more? All right, let's see what he's got. Beautiful. Use the link in the description to download the 13 free light leaks, and once you download them, there will be a folder containing all the video files. Just drag that into Premiere, and once you import it, you can open up that folder to view all of the light leaks. Click the icon view button, and you will be able to scroll through each of these video files and see what the light leaks look like, and you can pick your favorite one. Once you find one you like, all you have to do is click and drag that over your video footage that you want to apply a light leak to, and change the blend mode to screen. You can play with different blend modes, but I found that screen works the best for me. And just like that, we created a custom light leak. To further customize this light leak, head over to the effects and type in RGB. You're gonna drag on an effect called Color Balance RGB and start playing with the red, green, and blue values, because this will give you different hues that will customize your light leak. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm going to be making some more stuff in the future. I'll see you next time.